Hey friends, today I'm going to take you through how to make a very simple rice pudding in the Instant Pot. Now for this recipe, we are going to just start by mixing our rice and our liquids and cook it. And then once it's cooked, that's when we'll add the sugar and the spices, just to make sure that the sugar doesn't burn during the pressure cooking process. So we are going to be adding 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of milk, and 1 cup of water. I'm going to go ahead and wash the rice really quickly just because we do buy really cheap rice and I do like to wash it first. However, that's not a requirement if you're not used to washing your rice. Now you'll notice this is a different ratio than typical rice, and that's because we do want a little bit of liquid left over for when we're mixing in our sugars and things at the end. Okay. This is the Instant Pot Duo, and I'm going to set it to manual and press pressure to be low pressure for this cooking time, and I'm going to set it to 15 minutes. So it just beeped, but I'm going to let it start to release pressure naturally. Because we added that extra milk in there, the extra liquid, we don't want it to come out through the vent. So let it cool on its own till the pressure is reduced. These will be the ingredients we will be adding. We're going to take a look at how our rice is looking, and then we'll be adding, I'm going to put in some cream, although I know you can use just regular milk and add a little butter or something, but I'll just put in a bit of cream. I'm going to add some sugar, a little sprinkle of salt. I'm going to throw in some raisins, and I'll be adding mostly cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg, but those are kind of up to you what sort of spice mixture you typically make. That's all there is to it. If you're anything like me, you've probably made it on the stove or in the oven before, so this just helps you translate it to using your Instant Pot. If you give it a try, let me know how it works out for you. Alright, bye bye!